Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I just want to let you guys know that I am moving at the end of this year, but I am slowly packing up things now so that I'm not rushing to do it in the very end. Some good advice before you start packing up your CNC, if you do have one and you plan on moving, is always save the original box it came with. I know it can be a little annoying sometimes to have all these random empty boxes laying around, but when it comes to moving to a different location, having the boxes that your CNC came in, or any of your tools for that matter, um, it really helps when we're trying to pack things up and make things organized. So I'm going to show you how I made the flag design that you've seen in my video. So right here I have a basic flag design, stars with the stripes, but if you don't have this, you could either buy it off Etsy or you can try to make one yourself, which all you would do is you go to Google, you can Google US flag black and white. I found one right here already. Save image to downloads if you have Mac. Then you go to the online SVG image converter, which it's free. You don't have to pay for anything. Choose files, click the flag, upload, start conversion, then download. Go back to Carbide Create, which this one's mine. I go to import. Here's the one that we just made. Open, which is right here. So then you could resize it to however big you need it, but you may have to adjust this to whatever your stock size is. But if you don't need to do any of this and you already have it, just you can begin. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your stock is set to the right size. So this is how big my flags are that I make to give people as PCS gifts that are leaving their duty station to go on to a next duty station. But stock size, make sure you set your stock thickness, zero height to the top, toolpath lower left, which is right here. And if you want to mess with this, you can. The retraction height. I don't have a Shapeoko XXL. It's just I use that for my OneFinity because they don't really have anything else, or they don't have anything for the OneFinity on here. But this program will still work because all you really need is the G-code file that it creates. Anyways, so as soon as you do this, then you can import your other images, which, let's see. Oh, yeah, okay. Desktop, woodworking, Etsy files, then Viking. So we got this one. So here's the Viking SVG. What I do, hold on, let's pull it to the side real quick. So we're going to resize it to kind of fit, which, yeah, looks pretty good. Then, yeah, let's make it a little bit bigger. So done. Then we'll do an offset path. I'm going to set it to the outside because we're going to need that. Because if we just set it on the actual flag and try to carve it out, the stripes are going to go straight through the image, and we don't want that. So outside 1/4 inch ply, which you could do it less than that. Matter of fact, let's do it. We're going to do it less than that. Do 10. Alright, if you notice, it also put some in other places, which we don't really want that. So we'll do this. We'll delete that one, that one, that one. These ones pop up. And that one popped up. I don't want that one. That one. Yeah, I'm gonna delete that. It looks off. Everything else looks good. Alright, so what you want to do now is you actually want to drag it over top of your flag. You just place it where you want it. And now we gotta get rid of the lines that go through the flag. So what I do is I click the first stripe and click the outside edge that we just did. Then let's see, it's either this one or this one. Let's see. Yep, that one is it. So then you just keep on, click the stripe, click the edge, boom. Click the stripe, click the edge, boom. Stripe, edge, boom. And that should be everything. Yeah, I think that is everything. Then you can go back and do that. Click on the offset that you made around your actual image and you can delete that as well. Boom. Now we have stripes to where they don't go through our image. So now our image is inlaid into all the stripes. So let's see. Let's go to toolbar paths. So the stars are already set on this one. If you could tell that they're already set because there's blue lines for the toolpath. But if you notice the stripes, these ones are no longer showing that they're part of the toolpath. So what you can do is edit operation. You just hold shift and you just click the stripes that are no longer a part of that toolpath. Boom, 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 boom. And okay. Now highlight the image, which make sure that none of the stripes are being selected as well. And how you do that is once you highlight the image, you just hold shift and you just click on the stripes that are selected. So like this one, so I'm pressing shift now and boom, now these stripes are no longer selected after I click on them. So now we go to, I guess depending on what you want. So I'll do, let's see, advanced V-carve, 60 degree, then, okay. So just kind of give you an idea, edit operation. So you might have to edit how fast the feed rate is because it usually just defaults it at 30. So I'll probably put 70. Boom. Boom. Alright, so now let's look at the simulation. See what it looks like. And I always look at the simulation to kind of, let's do pine, take off the toolpaths. So that's what it would look like if I were to carve it out. Which is not bad. It's not bad looking. And you would do the same exact steps that you did for this Viking head or any other design. Just do the same exact steps and it should work. So if you're trying to do something similar where there has unit patches on there, you just have to do the same exact steps that you did or that you would take for the Viking head. I hope that this helps. If you guys have any questions or ideas, please let me know and I will try to help you guys the best I can. Again, I am a very I'm very new to the CNC world, as you can see, because I'm still using Carbide Create, which is a free program. You don't have to pay for it. If you like to be cheap like me, then I will try to show you some ways where you can save money so you don't have to buy files or whatever the case may be. But it's always good to help out small businesses and everything. So yeah, if you like the video or if this is your first time watching, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will try to upload more helpful tips and tricks and some projects that I'll be doing over the next or throughout the duration of my channel. But yeah, I hope you all have a great day. Bye.